I know that guys, you are super excited for the lab. You want to understand whole concept of Docker with practical, but we have to go step by step. I want you to understand benefits of Docker. We are going to start practical as soon as possible. But before this, just understand 5 benefits of Docker. First, isolation and consistency across environment. As you know that when we are using Docker, instead of just providing code from one department to another and set up consistent operating system environment across the 3 different departments, here we are creating container. Container is so lightweight, so coder will forward this particular container to the test team. Test team is going to get full setup of the container. They just need to test the code and then they are going to send it to the operation team or a production team. So here, when you are going to use container, the first benefit you have is you have consistency across all the 3 or any departments you have. Yes, containers are running inside Docker host, even though they are using or even though they are sharing same kernel. All the containers are totally isolated from each other, so there is no problem with the security as well. This is the first benefit of the container. Another one is rapid deployment and scaling. You know, if you are going to create virtual machine, how much time it will take? You know, virtual machine is actually complete operating system, right? You have to install kernel and shell together. Now, if you are going to create a Windows virtual machine, it will take 10 minutes. Although it is totally depend on the configuration of your hardware, but if you have moderate hardware, it is going to take 10 minutes. If you are going to create container, it will create it within a second. Okay. Now we will go when we will go for the practical, you will get better understanding. But yes, container deployment is rapid and you can also scale container easily compared to virtual machine. Efficiency and lightweight, as you know that they are sharing main components of the operating system kernel. So they are so lightweight, and because of the lightweight, you can create container very easily. You can transfer container from one environment to another environment very easily, and that's why it is efficient and lightweight. DevOps and continuous integration, CI/CD. Why we are learning containers right now? Because implementation or deploying container is very easy when you are using CI/CD pipeline for your DevOps. Throughout our course, we are going to create so many containers over there because we have full CI/CD pipeline course. So that's why we are learning this Docker as a second course of our whole DevOps suite, because in each and every step we need to use this container because containers are more suitable for DevOps CI/CD pipeline. And the last one, resource efficiency. Containers are again so lightweight, so it is easy to create containers in any set of system. So these are like 5 benefits of Docker. Next video, we are going to talk about some of the Docker components, and then we will start practical very soon. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.